Have you ever wondered how an artist's unique style can transcend various mediums? Today, we'll introduce you to Parra, a contemporary Dutch artist known for his vibrant and surreal work across multiple formats. Welcome to Art Lectures. Today, we're diving into the world of Parra, born Peter Janssen in 1976 in Maastricht, Netherlands. Parra's distinctive style features surreal, bird-like characters and saturated colours, making his work instantly recognisable. He has gained acclaim not only for his paintings and screen prints, but also for his murals, shoes and merchandise. Parra's journey in the art world began with designing posters and flyers, where his hand-drawn letters and humour stood out. Over time, his work evolved into abstract interpretations of his signature figures, celebrated in solo exhibitions around the world, including in New York, Hong Kong,